Hello, my name is David Burchell with Fresno Realty. I'm standing here at 3346 East Richert Avenue here in Fresno. We've got a beautiful home to show you today. It's got updated windows, it's got custom cabinets. You're going to love the way the property flows. It's got one of the biggest lots here in the neighborhood. The driveway's got plenty of room for extra parking if you're in need of that. You're going to love this property. Let's check it out.